Hey everyone, welcome in. I'm Josh, also known as Kalen. Tonight we are continuing Project Ember, where I am building my own AI companion from scratch, using a Raspberry Pi, computer vision, and an AI models. Starting here, as you can see, this is the roadmap. We're currently in the phase 1 of the core systems. Goal is to build Ember's digital brain and senses. Everything that's been completed so far is the Raspberry Pi 5 setup, Raspberry Pi OS installed onto an SSD drive. I found out later that it is actually better to install into an SSD drive than an SD card. Uh, how to describe it? Basically for longevity. And then went ahead and completed the system updates and upgrades. Python environment setup, SSH remote access, so that way I'm no longer having to get in, directly log into the Pi. I can remotely get in through my PC here. As you can see on this side right here, I created a virtual environment with all the folders and everything needed to install moving forward. I got the camera hardware installed, the Pi camera working, Olama installed, and the base AI responding locally. So tonight what we're going to be focusing on is installing the OpenCV for computer vision, the camera frame processing, and the tracking experiments. Let's begin. Alright, so starting off, we are going to install the OpenCV. So let me have the instructions here. 1 second. Oh, come on, where are you? I had you. Alright, here we go. So we're going to do sudo apt install python 3 dash OpenCV. Alright, Python 3 OpenCV is already the newest version. Set to manually install. Oh, looks like I already had that installed. Alright. And then test import, Python import. Let's do this real quick. We're going to test it just to make sure it works. Let's copy the script right here. And just give it a minute. File line 7. Okay. Line 7 module. Here, let's check in here real quick, see what the reason or see what the issue is. Okay, so it looks like I need to use Pi Camera 2 plus OpenCV together. Okay, let's go ahead and do this then. Exit. And then we're going to create a file. nano motion detection dot pi. All right, so basically we're importing from the Pi camera 2 and also import to the Pi camera 2 and then import the CV2. I got your variables right here, got your loop and your if statement. Let's see. All right, let's go ahead and save it. And then we'll do Python motion detection dot pi. Okay. I mean, it looks like it worked. I mean, that was super easy, so that was knocked out real quick. And let's focus on getting the motion detection. It looks like we just kind of jumped to that. I actually want to see if I can. Actually, you know what? Let's just. Yeah, let's focus on the motion detection here. Here. And just a heads up, guys, I am using AI for my answers here, as I am completely new to this. I am just learning from scratch myself. So my whole project here is that yes, I am trying to build AI, but this is all a learning curve for me. So I'm learning how to do Python, learning how to use the camera, learning about Raspberry Pi. So I do appreciate your patience with me, and I hope we can all learn together. Let's take this, and let's actually open. Here we go. There we go. Yes. All right, now let's try run it again. No. I didn't like something there. I think there is. I probably need to go back and hit enter on that. There, we'll go back there in a second. Thresh. Where did that from come? Oh, here we go. I wonder if that was just a space issue. All right, hold on, let me change keyboards here. Unfortunately, the keyboard I'm using doesn't have a the arrow keys, so I'm having to swap it out. Well, something that's a bit more clacky, so bear with me here. There we go. Okay. Oops. There we go. That should have fixed the problem. There we go. Okay. So nothing broke this time around. Alright. And let's see here. I'm trying to see if there's a way I can actually show the camera detecting me or anything around the room. So just bear with me here. Okay, so since SSH is terminal only, the window has nowhere to appear, so it looks like nothing happens. Best method. Okay, so we can stream the camera feed over HTTP and open it in your PC browser. Alright. Here. Let's open this real quick. Because even though we got this set up, I want to try to match this code as much as possible. One thing I did learn early on is that you need to be as clear as possible what you want as far as coding. And even if chat does give you something that you want or that you ask for, it doesn't mean it always gives you what you exactly need. So. Oop. Let's copy that. Can we build it off this code? But we should have two separate scripts stacked together, which can cause problems. Yeah, that's what I thought. Here, before I just copy and paste, what I'm going to go ahead and do is copy this. Let's go ahead and paste this script onto here. So that way, if this code breaks, that I'm about ready to paste, we do have the backup right here. I think it's always good to back up your work. If it's gonna let me. Come on. You're not gonna let me do it. Actually, do I need to do that? Here. Boom. Okay. Alright. Alright, so from there, it mentioned I need to go to the HTTPS. Alright. On a PC browser. Okay. So I need to open up a browser. Almost forgot. Need to add the port information. Might be temporary down or add permanently to a new web address. Okay, that did not work. Wait, did I? I see what I did wrong here. Okay. Cannot be found. Check internet connection. Internet connection's fine. Let me see here. So the browser fails, current script. Using. Okay, so it looks like I need to run a web stream server using Flash plus OpenCV, but I haven't created that yet. Alright, so I think we're going to hold off on that for now. We'll put a pause on the motion detection for another stream. For now, let's go ahead and put our focus back onto the camera frame processing. Alright, so let's go ahead and do this. Get out of there, hide the evidence. And let's continue pick up where we left off. And I think, since I'm having to do other things for the motion detection, such as installing Flask, I may go ahead and just install Flask. The tracking experiments will be along with the motion detection for later. So let's go ahead and delete that for now. go from there. Honestly, I don't want to continue until... Yeah, I'm looking at this. It's like everything involves seeing for the camera's vision. There's kind of no point in keep updating the script if I can't show you the video. Here, let's see about installing Flask then, and then from there, I think, see what time it is. I mean, not even 30 minutes in. I think it should be fine. Let's install Flash so we get the video working. Install Flask. Okay. Okay. Flask core is installed. Okay, so it looks like we need to create a stream script. Oh, hey, Kevy. How's it going, man? Thank you for joining the chat. Here. So now we're going to go ahead and create the script to show the camera on display. We're going to go ahead and copy the script right here. So currently I'm using Olama. I did already have that installed, and I'm using the base model Fish 3. Just out of curiosity, do you have your own AI model built? Hey, Kevin, I do apologize. I'm just curious. Are you able to hear me? This is my first time streaming. So I'm. Oh, never mind. You can't hear me. I have a home agent running right now that is the access point for an offline wiki database. It is also being converted into a conversational model with some fine-tuned weights. Bro, you're way ahead of me. That is awesome, though. I honestly still have a lot to learn. Well, that is freaking cool. Uh, do you have your own? I guess you have your own AI persona. Let's see here. Going on. All right. Now I can open up from a browser. Yes, that's exactly what I meant. Have called it KB, an abbreviation for knowledge base. Oh, that's really cool. Hey, where did you learn? Like, where'd you get your information? Like, what would be the best way to learn from your experience? Because I'm still like, I created my own character. Her name is Ember, and like I just been using a lot of prompts to like build the lore persona. So now I'm just trying to get into like the actually create like my own personal AI companion. So I guess like what would be the best way to learn? Uh, all right, open up the browser here. 2.8.1.3 port 5000. Still can't be reached. Yeah, hold on. That is actually very true. Uh, but I do appreciate the advice. Thank you. Still can't be reached. Just trying to figure out why I still can't access through the web. That's what I thought. Oh, okay. Do not use HTTPS. Okay. Let's see. No? Still not, still didn't work. Let's see. All right. Well. Okay. Post name. Oh. Okay. Okay, that wouldn't work. Actually, let's just do this. So flash is successfully streamed on the camera. It's a connection from my PC to browser. Oh. So it looks like VPN needs to be turned off. Alright, let's try this again one more time. No VPN. Refuse to connect. From PC. Alright, let's try pinging it. Ping 92.168.133. I mean, it can read it. It's there. Yeah. That's fine. To exit, run. Okay. Let's try this again. Oh, shoot, there we go. Oh. What's going on, everybody? Kevin, you still there? Hello? I'm glad I got that to work. Oh. I look purple. Why did my camera look purple? I'm wearing a red One Piece shirt. That'll probably be another. That'll probably be another time. Oh, hold on. All right, let's get the back of my head out of the way. It's looking ridiculous. But I think for now, that was the only thing I was just trying to get to work, and I've hit about the hour. But I will definitely be streaming again next week. I would love for you to join again, and hopefully I get to hear from you again more often. But yeah, I appreciate you and everyone else that decided to watch, and I hope you guys all have a great day or a good night. Y'all take care.